Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and thank you so much for watching today. Thank you guys. In today's video I'm going to be talking about how you can open a bank account here in United Bank of Africa, which is commonly called UBA Bank. Alright, anywhere across Africa. I think the system should be across Europe. No, it may be different in Europe, but what I'm going to be talking about is for those who are in Africa. Alright, so yeah, UBA is one of those banks. I think it's a Nigerian owned bank. I'm not very sure of that, but it's also found in so many African countries and also in my own country. So in order for you to open a bank account, you need to first of all understand that the laws are never the same, okay? The system was different in 2018, 2019, but now the system is different, all right, in 2021. Again, you need to also understand that accounts are different, okay? We have a savings account. There is also a current account and there is a domiciliary account, okay? So you need to know which one you need to do your stuff. And the good thing is that UBA is a full-blown bank, and you can as well get a Visa card or do online payments as well as in other banks. All right, and it's also relatively cheap to open an account with UBA. I think with just 1,000 francs CFA, which is equivalent to like $2, you can open an account, a bank account. All right, so for the requirements that you will need to open an account, I think it should be a current account, okay? A current account. You need your money, which is 1,000 francs CFA, which is equivalent to $2. You need a copy of your national identity card. If you are of which country, you need the ID card for that country. You also need the tax number, okay? You need your tax number. The tax number is the number that is given to each personnel. In my own country, we have tax numbers coming from the Ministry of Finance, I think so, somewhere, or the Delegation of Finance. Or for those who are working in Cameroon, some of them do have their tax number already if your documents had ever passed through CMPS, okay, the National Social Insurance Fund. So you also need, I mentioned your ID card, you need 2 passport size photographs, okay, for the account opening. You also need payment slips, all right. If at all you are earning salary or you work on a salary based company, well, let me say you work for any organization that at the end of the day they will give you a pay slip to show that this is amount on it you earn per month for you to go and withdraw your money from wheresoever. Or if you have anything like payment slips, you should supply it to UBA Bank. Then they are going to let me say open an account for you. Is one of those documents you need. Then after that, there is another document I'm forgetting. Then before the form you are filling, it's not online, it's manual. It's going to come from UBA, all right. On that form, you fill your details, you fill the type of account you need, you fill your name, you fill your ID card number, okay, you sign some signatures, all right. Then I think if you want to do first deposit, you indicate on it. Then I think that should be all for the basic things you need. That is for you. Then you also indicate if you want what type of account. Did I mention that? I think so. The account, because I said there are 4 you are going to find on it: a domiciliary account, a current account, a savings account, and which other one? A domiciliary account, a saving account, a current account, and there is another one I'm forgetting. Then again, you also need to understand that you need 3 types of accounts, all right. For those account types I just named, you also need which currencies are going to feature. In that case, if you are opening a CFA account, it's going to be your sole choice. If you need a dollar account, it's going to be your choice. If you need a Euro or a British Pounds account or a South Africa Rand account, it's going to be your choice, okay? So you are the one to decide which one to take, all right? Now, when you have chosen these options, the form is going to be with the UBA official or the bank official for at least close to 4 to 5 days. Then after that, they are going to open the account and call you, okay? When they call you now, you have to sign. You have to come to the account, to the office to sign, if in case you didn't sign before. Because nowadays you have to go through an agent. There are agents placed at the doors of the bank, all right? When you go there, they are the one to attend to you, because the bankers don't really have time, according to what I know. So they are the one to attend to you. Then when everything is set, you will be called to sign. After you sign, they are going to give you the Visa card, all right? With the Visa card now, you also need a password you can always use online to withdraw your money, all right? If you want them to connect internet banking, you will indicate there where you can buy and do transactions online. If you want them to connect it to your mobile money account, they are going to do that, all right? They are going to do that. As I said, the account is going to take 3 to 4 days, and that is how it needs to be, all right? And after that, your account is perfectly set up. That is what you need to know. In other countries, the law may be different, all right? I think, and I should be able to show you something which is equivalent to the UBA card. Let me, with the Visa card, I was also meant to understand, or I came to realize that I am going to show you the Visa card from UBA, all right? Now, there is something on the Visa card. When you take the Visa card, you will have the card number on it. You also have there is a certain security code beside it, all right? Then there is this stuff called the CVV, all right? CVV is the number behind the card, which is the one you don't need to show anybody. It's very important, all right? Never you show your CVV to anybody, all right? CVV is a very important number, the 3 digits number that is found behind the card, somewhere around that paper like this. There is a 3 digits number behind the card, all right? Make sure nobody sees that number. It's very important for you when you are doing your transactions, okay? So guys, this is an example of a UBA card, okay? This is an example. If you look here, it is a Visa card. It's upside down, okay? It's upside down. It's a Visa card, and this is the tracking point and these ones, all right? It's a UBA card, all right? It's upside down. So basically this one is expired. I don't use this one. The one I have now is not with me here. So that's how a UBA card is going to look like, the card you are going to be using online, okay? As I said, this one is not the one I'm using right now. So when you have the card, make sure nobody sees the CVV, all right? It's very important to you, all right? And you can keep track of this card. This one, I had it in, this one like this, I had it in 2015, 2016, yeah. That was when, then it expired in 2018. So the one I'm using right now is not this card, all right? So UBA is a very big bank, it's a very good bank. If you want to open an account, then make sure that you have your payment slips, all right? They are very important, and you also provide your tax number. If you don't know your tax number, go to the Delegation of Finance and ask where you can get it from the Ministry of Finance in your country, okay? I think that was where I got mine. Or anybody, just ask, or the company you are working with, ask them, they may direct you, all right? So that is what you need to know basically about opening, how to open an account with UBA Bank, which is the United Bank of Africa, all right? Thank you so much, guys. Until we meet again, peace.